How to log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can log out WhatsApp from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to log out WhatsApp from other devices, basically all you have to do is simply launch the WhatsApp application here. And once you launch your WhatsApp app, you will see this type of interface where if you think that you are also logged in on some other devices, you can just tap the three dots option from the top right hand side and then just go to this option here known as linked devices and then tap on it. Once you go to linked devices, right here you should be able to see a list of devices that are currently logged into your WhatsApp account. So you can select a certain device that maybe you want to remove and then just tap the logout button to log out WhatsApp from those devices. This way you can easily log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.